Hello, and welcome back to Redneck Snack and Food Reviews. I'm going to apologize for a couple things. A, if you hear the AC, that's because I'm in my car and I'm trying to, not melt like this ice cream. B, with that said, it's going to be a quick review. I'm late to a Zoom meeting that I forgot I had, so I got to get in my room and get on my computer. And, this thing's melting because it's nice outside. So, ice cream, when it's got heat applied to it, of course, it melts. So, this is the Rocky Road Blizzard. They've had this in the Royal Blizzard. They've had this in the past. I thought it came with a golden spoon, but whatever. Had it in the past and got rid of it, and they've had a couple iterations of the Royal Blizzard that they've been, flipping through, which I don't know why they would get rid of the ones they have and end up with this one, but they have. So the cheesecake ones remain constant, which I don't blame them. I love cheesecake. But they had a Oreo one, which I'm sure you can still order it. I mean, as long as the employee knows how to make a Royal Blizzard, you can still get the fudge and the Oreo. And same for the Reese's, you just get the peanut butter in there, and then you got the Reese pieces surrounding it. So I feel like you can still get it, but it's still dumb that they got rid of it for this. But then again, this has elements to it that if they took it off the menu, you wouldn't get it, because it's got like a marshmallow center. So another interesting thing I have to say is they did not flip my Blizzard over. So I don't know how that works. I don't know if you're supposed to point it out. I didn't want to be rude and point it out then and there, because then they would flip it over too. But you're supposed to get a free Blizzard. That's their policy. So I'm gonna, I guess, contact Dairy Queen. I don't know how it works, but I'll search. I'll look up what happens when they don't flip your Blizzard over. And so yeah, that had me concerned. So yeah, this is pretty much goop. So we're just going to ignore that because it melted a little bit. And this review is going to be pretty short. So let's get to it. Oh man, see, I just want to show y'all. But yeah. Oh, I like the fact. Oh, it just dripped all over me. But what I was trying to say is I like the fact that it's got peanuts. I really like that. I need to do more Blizzards with peanuts. I guess the marshmallow center melted. I don't know. But you can taste the marshmallow too. Oh man, this is really good. Well, is that a piece of marshmallow that I had? I don't know, but I can't find the marshmallow center it's supposed to have. But oh well, because I'm getting a free Blizzard out of this anyways. I think I see a little bit of it. I'm not going to try and show it to y'all because you can't really see it. And this thing is absolutely melted. But you get a steady amount of peanuts and marshmallow, and it's just so good. It's different for sure. I wish I had the center to the point where I could notice it. Because that would be even better. But this is just a really good confection. And like the cheesecake Oreo, yes, the Oreo cheesecake Blizzard yesterday, and then the first two Blizzards I had, it's really good. That's a good blend of flavor. But yeah, I recommend this one. I'm sure it's better. It's probably even better when you can distinctly have that center. But I thought this was really good. Not perfect. Probably could have had a little more of each thing, like peanuts and marshmallow, but the flavor was just so good. Now I'm gonna give it a 9, just because everything really did well. So I do recommend that. I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it wasn't a long one, pretty brief. But yeah, go ahead and leave a like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack and Food. This is the only review I'm doing today, so I apologize for that, but that's just how it worked out today. So I will see y'all around, and hope y'all enjoy this day. It's nice here. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but other than that meeting I've got, but you know, that's just how life is. So I will see y'all around.